Well, one of the best ways to take care of yourself is to feel good from the inside out. So today, products and procedures to get back to basics and great looking skin. Our focus is on tighter and brighter skin. Who doesn't want that?
Everyone. Dr. Deborah Manjoney is the medical director of the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa. She's here with more on better skin and a schoolyard game. We got it here where you could win discounts on treatments and products. Who didn't make these?
Yeah, but it's been years for me.
It's been years. I love this, though. This is so cute. So how does this work?
Well, when somebody comes in and has a service this month, when they're getting ready to pay, they can play this game.
Okay, so pick one for me.
Face.
Face. So you'd go F-A-C-E.
Right, and then let's say aging.
And aging is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right, and then hair. And so we open it up.
Yep. And you
won. Gives you
20% off cleanser of your choice.
Oh, what a fun
That's
game.
fun.
Right. Yeah, so
I love that.
Everybody gets to play that this month.
These are really great prizes too. Gift with product purchase.
Yes, and somebody even can get a $50 gift card.
I was going to say, is there one big doozy of a winner? That'd
pretty
be the
much.
one. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, these are great. 20% off Hydrofacial or Dermasound. 30% off a product of your choice. This is fun.
Yes, so that's just something.
Just for coming in.
Just for coming in, because it's time to go back to school for the kids, and so we want to get back to basics for the adults too.
Do you find this is the time when parents do tend to think about themselves again?
Well, they do, because of course now holidays are coming up and finally kids are back to school, summer's over, and so they can start really paying more attention to themselves. Yes.
Yeah,
and
so if the kids go back to school too, or are off to college.
Right.
And all of a sudden, you got to start thinking about you a little more.
A little bit more.
It's time for me.
Right.
Right.
And so one of the big specials we're going to have this month is something that we have. It's like clean the slate. And so we're offering a special on a wonderful peel. 2 peels that you can get, and with those peels, the vitalized peels from Skin Medica, you can also basically get for free is the Skin Medica TNS Essential Serum, which is a fantastic deal, and the ceramide cream to help the peel just to heal even more quickly.
And why do you like that line, Skin Medica?
Well, Skin Medica really is quite an advanced line, and so we have a system called GRASS where you have growth factors, retinols, antioxidants, special care that you might need for certain problems, and sun protection, all in one. And so it's wonderful to be able to offer that whole line and make sure people understand that you really need one of each of those things.
Yeah, that's
all
great.
Right. Now you have 3 lunch and learns coming up.
Right.
Let's talk about each one of those and what you're going to be offering.
So the first one is just about basic skincare products and basic skin care. And so what we're going to do about that at that session is to really help people to understand that you need different types of attention to your skin when you're in your 20s or 30s or 40s or 50s or older, because at certain times your skin doesn't have the same qualities it did when you were young. And so for instance, once you're in your 20s, your collagen actually is starting to slow down, and you may even start losing some collagen from your skin. So you do want to do the proper cleansing and maybe even think of starting a retinol, but certainly start exfoliating. But certainly start exfoliating. So you're getting that more youthful skin back to the surface again, because our exfoliation slows down as well.
Right.
And then when you get into your 30s, you might be starting to see some fine lines and things. And so we're talking about the skincare products you can use that are preventative, as well as proper products for moisturization, for treatment in those years.
Okay, and that's on the 10th.
Yep. That's on the 10th.
So on the 17th, then you're doing light-based treatments, and that's talking about the AFTs and things like that.
Right. So it's kind of the ABCs of AFT or IPL and all the other acronyms that we have for treatments. And it's really to learn about why light is good for your skin, what we're doing with these.
This is a before and after?
These are some befores and afters of an arm.
Okay.
So somebody's arm that has a lot of sun damage and freckling on one side, and then after the treatment.
Oh, wow.
And so, we see that we can actually combat the effects of the sun and of light with other light treatments.
Look at that.
And the same thing with the forehead. We really can get tremendous results by offering usually a package of 3 intense pulse light treatments, but we'll also talk about lasers that we can use on the surface, lasers that are not necessarily ablative. That means they don't injure the outer surface of the skin, but we're still using light to attack different areas within the skin, like if it's a pigment problem or if it's a redness problem, if it's fine lines. We can use light-based therapies for many of these things.
I want to talk about this what's happening on the 24th.
Okay.
Because we were talking about turtlenecks over there and this going on here.
What's that?
Yeah.
What is that?
Hate this area.
Really, there are
Skin
treatments
tightening
for
procedures.
skin tightening. Yes, there are.
So there's help for
fullness.
this.
There is help for
It's usually the neck and
What
the
is it?
jowls and the, right here,
there
right?
are several different things. We can use radio frequency heat using Exelis or Infini, which is microneedling combined with radio frequency heat to help tighten the skin. We also use different products like Nectifirm. Depending on the face, we may use different
Is
types
Nectifirm just a product?
Nectifirm is a product which
Okay.
works very well. It has a plant enzyme in it. So it's a very advanced formula to help get rid of a little excess fat and bulk that you have and tighten the skin at the same time. And then some of the different products that also can be used to make the skin look more moisturized, better, again,
Okay.
as you age. But there really are finally some treatments that can be used. In addition to what you can do directly on the neck, now with the techniques we use for filler and volumizing the face, we can actually raise the cheeks a little bit, raise the jawline, and that actually really makes a difference in the line of your chin.
Oh, yeah. Because this is really an area where you kind of, and Ultherapy, do you guys do that here
We
too?
do not do Ultherapy, but that certainly is another technique that can work.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, I think it's great because you do so many different basics as well. Skin peels that you've got specials on, all
That's
that for
right.
fall.
We have specials on skin peels for the fall. We're also still doing our hand treatments and neck treatments that are at a reduced rate. They get Lumiquin if they have a hand treatment, and they get Nectifirm if they have a neck treatment. So those are free products that people can get when they actually have the services. But we can teach people about these things. There are many times that people are just too afraid to come in. They don't know what to ask about. And so we thought if we'd offer some of these sessions that people can just learn a little bit about the techniques that are available, no commitment at all.
That's a no pressure.
Yeah.
Right.
So these are the Lunch and Learn dates that are going on starting September 10th, which is next week. The basics of skincare, that's your proper daily care, your frequent needs, prevention, treatment products will all be discussed. Then the 17th will be the light-based treatments. That's the ABCs of AFT and laser treatments. And then September 24th, skin tightening procedures. You can learn more about all those at the Lunch and Learns. Do people need to register?
They do need to register in advance. We ask for a $5 registration fee, and that can be used toward treatment. But we need to just have this so we know how many people are coming and can plan.
There you go. And here's where you go into Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa. It's right on Georgetown Drive in Pewaukee. The phone number to call to make that reservation and your $5 placement hold is 262-746-9088, and WIMedispa.com is the website to learn more. And then you can go in and play the little game here, the Pac-Man game. There you go. Thanks, Ted.
Thank you.
Good to see you.